African continent have gathered today to elect a new leader who is going to take over from the outgoing leader. I had offered myself as a candidate, and over the last few months I've run around the continent talking to leadership of the continent, canvassing for their votes. Today they have expressed themselves, and as it is now, we did not succeed. They will say that we must strengthen democracy in the African continent, and therefore myself conceding defeat, and I want us to use this as an example of strengthening democracy in our continent. I therefore want to wish my competitor Ali Yusuf all the best. We want to wish him success in his undertaking. And we also want to thank all those members or countries who voted for me. I also want to thank those who did not vote for me, because in doing so, they were exercising their democratic right. That's how democracy should work in our continent. We should strengthen it. So I'm very grateful for the exercise here today. I thank the people. I thank the people of Africa. And to say, Viva l'Afrique libre. Thank you.
Of the three candidates on the ballot, Kenya's Raila Amolo Odinga emerged as the front-runner in the first 2 rounds of voting. However, after 6 rounds, and in a spirit of Pan-African unity, he chose to step down, recognizing that after 7 rounds without an outright winner, one securing at least 2/3 of the votes, the election was likely to be deferred, possibly to the next summit. This decision echoes the precedent set in 2012 when a similar election between Xi Jinping and Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma had to be postponed from January to July due to the absence of a decisive outcome. As a true Pan-Africanist, Raila Odinga once again put the interest of the continent before personal ambition, demonstrating statesmanship and unwavering commitment to African unity and progress. As His Excellency Odinga affirmed during the prayer meeting on February 10, 2025, this election was never about individual victory, but about Africa's collective success, win or loss. We are all winners in pursuit of a stronger, more unified continent. And at this point also, I would like to thank all the people, we would like to thank all the people who supported this endeavor of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga. To start with, we want to thank the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency President William Ruto, for the unwavering support his and his government gave to this contest of Honorable Odinga in the AU elections. And in this regard, again, we call upon all Kenyans to prepare to accord His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga a well-deserved, rousing welcome upon his return. His exemplary leadership and sacrifices in the service of Africa are a source of immense pride for our nation.
This is not the outcome that we had come for here in Addis. We were very hopeful for a win because we knew the kind of candidate that we had presented to Africa. We knew that Africa would have benefited immensely from Prime Minister Raila's experience, wisdom, and so many things that he is resolute about in his public life. However, we have come to accept that sometimes elections don't go the way that we had wished them to do. But as a country and as a leadership, we are extremely proud of the journey that he walked. He gave a great account of himself, and every patriotic Kenyan is extremely proud of our Prime Minister. We know that he gave it his best, only that others thought differently from what we had thought as a country, as a region, and those who saw his strength. We particularly appreciate all the countries that stood with us in this journey, those that believed in this shared vision of a prosperous and thriving Africa. We also, as true Democrats, appreciate those that saw it differently and we believe in a united and a stronger Africa. We believe that the Prime Minister cannot be short of things to do, given his age-old experience and passion for a better Kenya. So we welcome him home with so much pride, exuberance. We urge all Kenyans to celebrate and grant him a rousing welcome as he returns back home.
We want to say we are very proud of His Excellency Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for the effort he put and for coming on very strong for this position. Even though it didn't go in the way that we had intended, we are still very proud of Baba. And we know that Baba still has a lot to offer in Africa and beyond. And so we just say congratulations, Baba, and to all those who supported. I just want to say, thank you very much. We want to say thank you very much. There are many people who use their own resources to come all the way here. People came in buses, people came by air, people came by all means. People pulled cars together to come. We just want to say thank you, and Baba is extremely loved.
I do not think that the loss that Baba withdrew at the 6th round in any way affects the broad-based arrangement. And I foresee in Kenya the union between ODM, UDA and other parties getting even stronger. And